Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. On this video I will share how to create a professional Gmail signature for your Gmail account. Now I open my Google Chrome browser and open my Gmail account. Generally, when we write a Gmail message, then under the message we write our name and others' contact information. But I will show how to add this contact information automatically under our Gmail message. So I copy this signature information and go to the settings, check mark on the signature, and then post here signature information. Now click on the Save Change. This signature information automatically added on my Gmail message. Now I will show how to make a professional Gmail signature for your Gmail account. I open the Google Doc and open a blank page. Go to the insert and make a table with 2 column, row and column. I write here signature information. Under the information I add here social icon and information. Now I will add here social icon, logo, signature and others images. To upload signature, go to the image icon, upload from Google Photos and insert photo. If you have not downloaded social icon, you can download free social icon from this website shopicon.com. I have downloaded some essential social icon and upload my Google Photos account. Now I go to the photos and upload here social icon. add the another text, select this row, click on the right button and merge cells. To remove this border, select this border and make a border with 0. So this Gmail signature is ready. I copy the all information and go to the Gmail settings, paste on the signature box and click on the Save Change. Now I will show how to add Gmail signature with add extension on my Gmail account. So I open my Google Chrome browser, go to the left corner, More Tools, Extension and open Web Chrome Store. Enter the search free Gmail signature and add signature extension. editing your Gmail signature, press on the Save Signature. Now the Gmail signature will be automatically saved your account. You can change or remove this signature anytime and use your account. Thank you for watching this video. If this video will be help you, please subscribe to my channel to get more update videos.